Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back with another video. And today, this will be day 9 of cleaning up with Will. I repeat, this is day 9 of cleaning up with Will. Stay in tune, man. Make sure this thing don't fall down. The boy got allergies very bad now. I don't know why. It's wet as heck outside, man. Pulling hard. While that's filling up, get this off the floor. Ah, bro. This thing don't want to stick. Tweaking. You come off for nothing, man. We have to work your way. Oh, man. Like, for real. You gotta hustle. Hustle for the better things, for real, while everybody else sleeping. That's the only way to make it, for real. Is staying so disciplined. It's the key, and stay resilient, man. In your work and consistency. Goes for a man or a woman, bro. Set goals for yourself and tackle it. Tackle that stuff instantly. Don't sit back and think on it at all. The time will keep going on, going fast and go past you. So set goals for yourself, tackle it, and just know execution. Execution and action is key. It's two keys. It's key. To be patient with yourself is key too. All right, y'all. It's time for me to go, man. Yeah, it's your boy Will checking out. Y'all go.